Hi everyone. Let's continue the second topic in Chapter 9. Supply Chain Management Systems. A supply chain is similar to a spider's web. It manages the flow of goods and services, the movement and storage of raw materials, work in process inventory, and distributing the finished product to customers. All these activities includes all of the internal functions of an organization, like suppliers, distributors, retailers, and customers. 3 distinct groups in supply chain. First, upstream. Suppliers deal directly with the manufacturer and their suppliers. Second, downstream. Distributors and those that deliver products to customers. Third, internally. The employees that transform materials, components, and services into the actual products. Let's look at the supply chain for ABC Company as an example. ABC designs, markets, and sells its product to many countries. ABC has its own suppliers. This diagram shows the major entities in ABC supply chain and the flow of information upstream and downstream activities. Information is the glue that holds the supply chain together. 3 factors should be considered to provide more accurate information and reduces uncertainty in business. Just in time. Safety stock. Full whip effect. Just in time, goods or services would arrive exactly at the moment they needed. It is an organization's strategy to increase efficiency and to reduce inventory costs. This method requires producers or companies to forecast demand accurately. Safety stock is an additional quantity of item to reduce risk that the item will be out of stock. Why safety stock is needed. Stock to protect against variation in supply or demand. Its purpose is to prevent disruptions in manufacturing or customer deliveries. Stock maintained to provide a required customer service level. The bullwhip effect on the supply chain occurs when changes in consumer demand. The companies will order more goods to meet the new demand. Inaccurate information can cause minor fluctuation in retail sales. It can create excess inventory for retailer, wholesaler, distributor, manufacturer and supplier. Supply chain management software is a software tools, or modules, used to execute supply chain transactions, manage supplier relationships, and control the business process. It helps business to plan, to execute, and to make better decisions. Supply chain planning systems provide information up and down the chain. The PC retailers and the suppliers can share the information. The organization or firms can generate demand forecasts, share information, manage their flow of products, and coordinate activities with supply chain partners. Before the internet, it is difficult to share the information with the external supply chain partners, because the systems of suppliers, distributors, or logistics providers were based on the incompatible technology platforms and standards. With internet technology, a manager used web-based supply chain to manage and to collaborate with business partners. The internet provides information and helps organization to monitor business, using browsers, portals, and web-based supply chain systems. Several issues in global supply chain. Greater geographic distances. Greater time differences. Cultural differences. Different performance standards. Different legal requirements. Earlier supply chain management systems were driven by push-based model, also known as build to inventory, or build to stock. It based on forecast, or best guesses of demand. Products are pushed to customer. Pull-based model, also known as demand-driven, or build to order. It is an actual customer orders or purchases. The supply chain produce and deliver products only what customers have ordered. The benefits of implementing an integrated network supply chain management system are: first, match supply to demand. Second, reduce inventory levels. Third, improve delivery service. Fourth, speed product time to market. And last, use assets more effectively. By making the supply chain more efficient, a company can improve relationship with its customers, sell more products, improve customer service, reduce costs, increase sales, and improve cash management. This is the end of Topic 2, Supply Chain Management Systems. We will continue with Topic 3, Customer Relationship Management Systems, in the next video. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.